Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you about merging the queries in Power Query. Go to Data menu and load your file. In this file, we have two sheets. Select the multiple sheets and click on Transform Data. Now both queries got created. In this table, we have to bring columns from this particular table. Before that, we have to convert this particular row as a header, and to do that, go to this option and click on Use First Row as Header. Now to process the merge, go to Home tab and click on Merge Queries drop down. We can process merge using this option as well, but it will create one more query here. So to avoid that, use this option to merge the queries. Here, table 2 is selected because we have processed merge queries from this table. Now select the second table from this drop down. Now the base here is employee ID. Make sure that this option is selected in join, and here you can see the match status. Now click on OK. Now the merge is processed and we have to expand table here. We have already these two columns and we have to bring only these four columns. Click OK. Now you can see that the column names are not proper. Don't change them manually like this. Remove this step and process the expand once again. Here, if we uncheck this option, we can get proper column names like this. And to move this particular column to beginning, just drag it like this. And to send this data back to the Excel, click on Home tab and click on Close and Load. This is how we can process merge in Power Query. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.